How bulletproof is this car? I didn't see it, but I heard it. I'm seeing this, though.
Did you hit a helicopter?
Is that a jump?
Oh, I just... Holy shit.